Hey everyone, welcome to Soap Trend. We hope that everybody is doing well. We have some exciting news to share with you all in today's video. In this episode, we are going to talk about one of our favorite TV series, When Calls the Heart. Lori Loughlin's Canada trip sparks the rumor that she is closer than ever to returning in When Calls the Heart. Do watch this video till the end to know everything. There's recent news that Lori Loughlin just got permission to travel to Canada, and When Calls the Heart fans are wondering if this could be a sign that she is going to return for season 9. She received a permission from a federal judge to travel to Canada for a film production. A probation official sent in a request which said that she was being offered a filming production project and that Miss Loughlin anticipates that she will be traveling for about 1 week. She was given an expedited permission for the trip, which will be taking place later in September or in the early October. However, the request does not indicate what the project is or for whom she will be working with. It was reported that the request was sent in by probation officer Chrissy Murphy, who wrote, "Loughlin seeks to travel to Canada for work-related purposes in anticipation of being offered a filming production project. As for now, the exact dates and location of travel are unknown. However, Loughlin anticipates that she will be traveling for about 1 week at the end of September or at the beginning of October." Previously, Lori Loughlin served 2 months in jail and her husband, Massimo Giannoli, served 5 months. She is now supervised release and must get the permission of a probation officer before traveling anywhere outside where she lives in California. She has already traveled to Mexico in June with her husband for a vacation after they received permission to leave the country. Talking about her filming project, the series Fuller House is now over, and the only series that Loughlin was part of that's still ongoing is When Calls the Heart. However, Loughlin might also be traveling for a different filming project, which can be a movie. But When Calls the Heart is currently filming in Canada for season 9, and the location as well as timing would both work out for Loughlin. When Calls the Heart also clearly left the storyline open in season 8 for Abigail to return anytime. Her character was brought up multiple times, including when Henry revealed that he and Abigail were still exchanging letters constantly. Then when Henry left Hope Valley at the end of season 8, the character made a strong hint that he was going in search of Abigail. In an interview, Erin Krakow talked about how much she would like to see Loughlin return to the series. When asked if there was a chance that Abigail might come back in a future season, she said, "From your lips to God's ears, I truly hope so. It would make me so happy to see Abigail back in Hope Valley. And I think there are still a lot of really beautiful stories for her character to tell. I would welcome her back with open arms, so let's hope." Brian Bird, the show's co-creator and executive producer, also said that he would welcome back Loughlin. In a September 2020 interview, Bird said, "You know, I've been praying for the best outcome possible for her and her family. Not just the most merciful one, but the most just one as well. We all make mistakes." He also said that they had no choice but to remove her in season 6, but it was painful to do. "It was painful for us to do this because we love Lori," he said. "We only want to see the best for her. And Hope Valley is a place of second chances." However, in a more recent interview, Bird said that it would be difficult to get her back. He said, "I personally would love nothing more than that happening in Hope Valley. Whether or not we can do it is another question. There's a lot of moving parts to that decision. There's a lot of other stakeholders beside me who would have to say yes to that. So I can't say with certainty that we can pull that off. I hope we can, but I can't say that we can actually pull it off." So this much for today's video. We hope you liked it. We will deliver more news of When Calls the Heart as it comes in. We will have all the burning one Costa Heart spoilers, updates and news you're looking for. So visit us regularly. Thank you for checking this video out. We will see each other very soon with another video. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for new videos every day. If you have anything to say, do let us know in the comment section below. We'll make sure to reply to your comments.